Hello again, it's Roland with the Delmi Training Institute, and we had the opportunity and the pleasure of welcoming Honorable Michael Tibollo, the MPP for Woodbridge, Vaughan. Stop by our facility to see firsthand how we are supporting the skill trade and what we do here at the Delmi Training Institute, and definitely been here for the last 10 years in his riding. So I want to welcome you, Minister, to our facility.
Thank you. It is a real honor to be here with both of you. And when we first met and I learned about the business, I wanted to come out and see what you do, because Vaughan Woodbridge is home to so many businesses, but the ones that are really important are the ones that are building the future, not just of Vaughan Woodbridge, but of the entire province. And Delmi is doing great work training the future generations of individuals that are going to help in terms of providing better interconnectivity, not just within the office, but to the outside world. Public safety in terms of security, but all of that requires infrastructure, and someone needs to know how to do that. So I want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to come into a classroom, to see the work that you're doing, how you're training individuals, and congratulations, not just on the 10 years that you've been here, but also the future in terms of contributing to building skilled trades in the province of Ontario.
Thank you, Minister. So you had the opportunity to see some of the things that the students are learning. What do you think about the technology that we're using here in class?
Well, it's too complicated for me. I just know how to push the button and make it work, but now I know how it goes, and how it goes into making it work. And thankfully, we have people that understand that technology, and the fact that you're training them, it's fascinating to me to see how far we've come, that it's not just a key that gives you access, but the fact that you can use an app to be able to open a door or to be able to lock a door, the security system, the amount of interconnectivity that exists. These are things that are really important for the future, not just of the province, but the entire country. So it's important that we train people to understand how to do this so that people like me have the ability to press a button, even though we may not understand how it works, but we know it works.
Okay. And not only did you stop by, but you also came by and presented us with
just a little token of appreciation on behalf of the province of Ontario and on behalf of the constituency here in Vaughan Woodbridge, to say again, thank you, and to recognize the great work that you're doing and the support that you're giving individuals in training them and giving them the opportunity to build a better life here in the province because of the skills that they learn right here in the classroom.
Thank you so much for stopping by and for checking out our facility.
My pleasure.
We appreciate it, and thank you for recognizing us for all the great work that we're doing here. So folks, until then, you keep watching our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.